Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to combine parts together in Roblox Studio using the Union tool. This is super useful when you're building custom models or shapes, so let's jump right in. First, let's add our parts. Go to the Home tab, click on Part, and spawn 2 blocks into your workspace. You can move, resize, or rotate them however you want. Just make sure the parts are touching or overlapping. Next, head up to the top menu and click on the Model tab. This is where Roblox Studio keeps all the tools for editing and combining objects. Now, select both parts at the same time by holding Shift and clicking them. With both parts selected, click the Union button in the Model tab, and just like that, your parts are combined into one single object. You've now successfully joined parts together using Union. If you want to edit it later, you can use Separate to split it back into parts. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.